Hello, hello, my friend.
Hello, hello. Welcome aboard. Welcome, my friend.
Hey everybody, welcome back to Park Time Adventures. My name is Jesse. We are here this week for a construction update. We were taking the bridge to downtown Disney and came across our first sign of construction here. So this is the downtown Disney parking lot. Not sure exactly what's going on. I've heard it's just maybe putting in some new plants in the planters, some landscaping. I don't think there's anything major that's happening, but just something we wanted to kind of cover, and we will keep an eye on that as it progresses and maybe see what the finished product will look like. So we're going to check out what else is going on around Disneyland. Make sure you guys like and subscribe. Check out all of our videos from this week, and let's go see what other construction is happening around Disneyland. Well, here's something new going on in the old ESPN Zone, this Soul of Jazz. It's like a little mini walk-through museum of the movie. From the movie Soul. This is cool. A little clay model. And then they got a bunch of different instruments and stuff. Yeah, the Soul of Jazz. The old ESPN Zone. It wasn't big, it wasn't much, but it's something new, and I didn't know that was there. I've never heard about that. So that was a cool little walk-through museum about jazz music, and it had a lot of cool stuff from the movie Soul. Alright, our next stop for construction is the wall of downtown Disney. You can't really see anything from here from the ground. Don't know why I thought you could. This is our first time though being here on the ground with no AMC theater, so that's definitely kind of different. No AMC theater, no Earl Sandwich. Those have both been demoed, but we'll try to go maybe take a ride on the monorail later and see if we can get an aerial shot of what's going on over the wall. And then here we can see some of the progress being made on the transformation of the Jazz Kitchen. So you can see right there where it's white and gray will be the new look, as opposed to the red color that it currently is. You can see on this side. So we'll keep an eye on that too, and check out, see what the finished product will look like. Alright, not construction, but the red car trolley is open. So we're going to see if we can jump on this here. Excited for the red car trolley to be back. Alright, so checking out the progress at Tarzan. Still really nothing to report here. No announcement about what the retheme will be. Still covered up with scrim. The stump, however, is completely gone. Opened up this walkway, which has made traffic flow, I think, a little bit better through here. But we'll keep checking in on Tarzan. Hopefully we see or hear something about it soon.
We are now arriving at Downtown Disney Station, gateway to the Downtown Disney District and the Disneyland Resort Hotel. If you will be leaving us here and returning later today, please hold on to your park ticket as you leave the station. You may reboard the monorail for a return trip to Tomorrowland up until 1/2 hour prior to Disneyland closing. Please remain seated until the monorail comes to a complete stop and the doors open. Then gather your belongings, lower your head, watch your step, and exit to the left of the monorail.
Did I tell you that
This is Tomorrowland, a place inspired by science fact and fantasy.
No, I have. But I received four, I think four months. So I started working at my work job and then walking to work. 6 blocks away. I'm like, fuck yeah.
Oh, the world's most famous bobsled ride.
These are lost and final stop where everybody must disembark. At this time, we ask everybody to keeping your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the monorail until you want to wait fully stop and then doors open next to you. On behalf of me and all the other pilots here at the monorail, we hope you have a great rest of your day here at the Disneyland Resort.
We're now approaching the Tomorrowland Waterfront Station, our final destination. Please remain seated until the monorail comes to a complete stop. Then collect your belongings, watch your head, and step carefully from the train. On behalf of all of our crew, thanks for traveling with us. And we hope you'll never back.
Alright, as we head back to the parking structure at the end of our day, that'll wrap up our construction coverage for today, for this week. So thank you guys for watching. Make sure you keep checking back to see the progress and anything new and under construction going on at Disneyland.
Thank you.